Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'd like to introduce a home remedy powder for bed bugs. It's a fine granular form of silicon dioxide that acts as a desiccant to absorb moisture and is commonly used in various applications to protect sensitive items. And you guessed it right, it's Silica Gel Dust. Once Silica Gel Dust's effectiveness is confirmed, it could serve as an affordable and easily accessible DIY alternative to professional chemical treatments for bedbug problems. Now, it's time to check Silica Gel Dust to see if it lives up to its promises. In this video, we'll investigate whether it can truly eliminate bedbugs, and after that, we'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Silica Gel Dust effectively to eradicate a bedbug infestation. So without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. Let's get started. The bedbug experience is ultimately suffering at the hands of insects that you really have no control over. It can disrupt your sleep, and it can cause huge amounts of stress. And these troublesome insects hide in various places, emerging at night to bite, and to feed on your blood, and inflicting physical discomfort, such as constant itching, and potentially impacting your mental well-being. Instead of resorting to expensive professional chemical treatments, consider exploring more budget-friendly DIY methods, such as Silica Gel Dust or essential oils. So what is Silica Gel Dust? Silica Gel Dust is a fine granular form of silicon dioxide, a naturally occurring mineral composed of silicon and oxygen. It's commonly used as a desiccant, which means it has the ability to absorb moisture from the surrounding environment. Silica Gel Dust is often found in small packets or sachets and is used to protect sensitive items such as electronics, leather goods, and food products from humidity and moisture damage during storage and transportation. Additionally, Silica Gel Dust has been considered as a potential remedy for pest infestations, such as bedbugs. Does Silica Gel Dust work against bedbugs? Silica Gel Dust affects bedbugs through its desiccant properties. Desiccants, such as Silica Gel Dust, are substances that have a strong affinity for moisture and can absorb it from their surroundings. When bedbugs come into contact with Silica Gel Dust, its fine particles adhere to their exoskeleton, which is the hard outer shell that protects the insect's body. As the Silica Gel Dust absorbs moisture from the bedbug's exoskeleton, it causes dehydration by removing the protective waxy layer. This results in the bedbug losing vital moisture and becoming severely dehydrated. Eventually, the bedbug will succumb to the effects of dehydration and die. Silica Gel Dust is considered effective against bedbugs because it targets the pests physically rather than using chemical toxins. It can be an appealing option for those looking for a non-toxic and environmentally friendly method of pest control. For optimal results, it's essential to complement the usage of Silica Gel Dust with other methods such as vacuuming, steam cleaning, encasing your bed, and of course employing bedbug interceptor cups. Have you attempted using Silica Gel Dust to get rid of bedbugs? If so, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section and I'll be sure to read and respond to them. Essential oils are a widely favoured approach for eradicating bedbugs due to their non-toxic, cost-effective and readily available nature, effectively targeting both adult bedbugs and their eggs. For further insights, don't forget to explore our linked video on essential oils for bedbugs, provided in the description and within the video itself. How to use Silica Gel Dust for bed bugs. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Silica Gel Dust for bed bugs. Step 1. Identify the infested areas. Common hiding spots include mattress seams, cracks and crevices, baseboards, and behind electrical outlets. Step 2. Prepare the silica gel dust. Purchase food grade or specifically labelled silica gel dust that is safe for use around humans and pets. Wear appropriate protective gear such as gloves and a mask to avoid inhaling the fine dust particles. Step 3. Apply the silica gel dust. Use a duster or a bulb applicator to apply the silica gel dust in thin, even layers to the areas where bed bugs are likely to hide. Focus on cracks, crevices, and other hiding spots. Step 4. Use caution with mattresses and beddings. Avoid applying silica gel dust directly on the surface of mattresses or beddings where direct contact with human skin may occur. Instead, concentrate on treating the bed frame and surrounding areas. Step 5. Reapply as needed. Silica gel dust remains effective as long as it remains dry. However, it may lose its efficacy if it becomes wet or excessively contaminated with debris. Reapply the dust as necessary, following the product's instructions. Step 6. Monitor and repeat treatment. Regularly monitor the infested areas for any signs of bedbug activity. If needed, repeat the treatment to assure complete eradication. So in conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable solution to tackle bed bugs, then silica gel dust is a great option. We appreciate your presence here today. If you enjoyed the video, kindly give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more DIY pest control tips and tricks. And for budget-friendly and natural DIY remedies against bed bugs, be sure to check out our website at CiaoBedBugs.com. Until next time.